We've come out to a little neglected corner of the ITS car park, but lucky for me, I've got the Einhell 18-volt hedge trimmer. This thing is perfect. Let me show you what it's all about. Now, this thing is a seriously impressive piece of kit. It boasts a 55cm cutting length, more than enough for all those jobs around the garden, and it's part of the Einhell Power Exchange platform. That means you can take that battery straight from your drill into your garden, no problems. Couple nice little pick outs I've had from having to play with this thing. It's really lightweight and ergonomic. That is so easy to maneuver wherever you need it, above head, over here, wherever you want it. And there's 3 positions on the safety handle as well. So whatever orientation you're holding this thing at, you can easily get your hands on the trigger. Not only that, but in the box you get this little hedge raker, and that is perfect. If you're doing delicate bushwork around buxes or anything like that, this will carry all of those chips away, making cleanup a doddle. Storage wise, you've got 2 really good options. Nice little removable hanger on the end there. That's perfect for just hanging it up in the shelf, or put the sheath on and you've got safe storage no matter where you are. So there you have it. That is the Einhell 18-volt 55cm hedge trimmer. If you're looking to get into cordless gardening or just expand on your Einhell collection, this is the perfect addition for you. Check it out now at its.co.uk.